welcome to Bike Rider. Today we're diving into the return of a legend, the 2025 Honda CBR1300XX, often referred to as the Super Blackbird. This is Honda bringing back a big bike powerhouse, and we'll look at what makes it special, what's changed, and whether it lives up to the hype. Design and visual impact. The 2025 CBR1300XX fuses the heritage of the Blackbird name with fresh modern styling. The full fairing bodywork is aggressive, with sharper lines and integrated winglets for improved aerodynamics. The front cowl is sleeker, the tail section more elongated, hinting at both sport capability and long-distance stability. It's a machine that wants to be seen, and wants to perform. The overall vibe is Grand Tourer meets hyperbike, suggesting this is built not just for the canyon but for long highway runs at speed. Engine and performance. Under the hood lies a potent power plant. Reports indicate the bike uses an inline-4 liquid-cooled engine, about 1,298 cubic centimeters in displacement in one source. Another source suggests approximately 198 horsepower, and 144 newton-meters, of torque. The gearbox is a 6-speed, complete with a quickshifter and slipper function for smooth transitions. What this means on the road is a motorcycle that accelerates fiercely yet has the refinement to cruise comfortably at speed. Technology and rider aids. What sets the 2025 model apart is the electronics suite. The CBR1300XX is said to come equipped with a 6-axis IMU, inertial measurement unit, ride-by-wire throttle, multiple riding modes, such as rain, street, sport, user, and advanced systems like cornering ABS, wheelie control and launch control. Adaptive cruise control and traction/slide control are also part of the package. For a large sport tourer/hyperbike, these features bring confidence and capability in diverse conditions. Chassis, suspension and usability. With great power comes the need for great control. The frame is designed for stability at speed yet agile enough for dynamic riding. Although exact weights and geometry aren't fully confirmed, sources suggest a wet weight in the 210 to 230 kilograms range. The suspension features fully adjustable components, front and rear, and high-performance brakes, likely Brembo or equivalent, to match the engine's output. What is notable is how Honda has balanced this bike's tour-capable characteristics with sport bike sharpness, a comfortable road posture, big fuel tank, but also aggressive dynamics when you lean into corners. What it means and final thoughts. So what does this all add up to for riders? The 2025 Honda CBR1300XX is positioned as a top-tier sport tourer/hyperbike, able to swallow long distances and deliver blistering speed. If you're someone who wants one machine for spirited riding, highway touring, and everything in between, this is a serious contender. On the flip side, the cost, size and complexity may be beyond what casual riders need. But for enthusiasts, the Blackbird name ret.